I have to run to Toyota to pick up some parts, but we have a little bit of work going on. 2018 Subaru. We did a little road test earlier. The customer decided to do some maintenance work. Jude's in the process. The mileage on this is 82,000. Jude can help you. Go ahead, Jude. Hubcaps finish the job. Let's zoom in. Oh! So we're going to go over some conditions. So look at the bottom of that spark plug. That's oil burn. Right there on that face right there. And then we'll look at the ground strap. Really not bad on the ground strap, the ceramic. And I don't have a microscope to show you there, but 80,000 miles worth of wear. Let's look at another one. What happens in your combustion chamber, this one's actually darker, that soot that's on the spark plug will start to get soaked with fuel and only gets worse. It doesn't get better, boys and girls. Not too bad, but like I said, in most cases, damn it, this camera. In most cases, spark plugs weren't designed to last 100,000 miles. And every engine's different. There you go. Zoom. It's not going to work with me. Sorry, guys. There you go. Not bad at all. So we're still advising 30s, 60s, and 90s, regardless of what the service manual says in maintenance, because nobody knows how much oil their engine's burning. Thanks for watching.